Hey, it's Mike back at Payam Data Recovery, meeting with Payam Tulu. Today he's working on a tricky one: 8 Seagate 10TB hard drives and 4 50GB SATA SSDs from a QNAP server. Payam starts by reading the client's notes. After a firmware update, the QNAP lost access to drives 1, 3 and 4. The NAS couldn't rebuild the RAID 6 group. This server held critical business data: software installations, calibration files, project backups, scripts, years of work. He tested each hard drive and SSD using the Atola Insight Forensic tool. 5 of the 8 hard drives came back with bad smart status, warnings about sector reallocation. Not good. And the SSDs? 2 of the 4 weren't detected at all, completely dead. Payam wasn't sure how the SSDs and hard drives work together in this setup, but he was curious to find out. So he connected everything to his data recovery workstation, hard drives and SSDs, then checked Windows Device Manager to see if the drives were recognized. But something was wrong. Everything started freezing, locking up. The drives weren't being detected at all. His whole system was unresponsive. Payam started troubleshooting. He removed some of the failed drives, still freezing. He powered off, powered back on, connected just the SSDs, same problem. The 2 dead SSDs were causing chaos. After checking the 2 working SSDs with WinHex, Payam discovered they were configured as a RAID 10 mirror and appeared to only be used for cache. No actual files stored on them. So he made the call to leave the SSDs out entirely. But there was still a problem. No matter what the combination he tried, his computer wouldn't stay stable long enough to analyze the RAID. He couldn't even confirm if it was RAID 6, RAID 5 or something else. So Payam made a decision: clone all 5 drives with smart warnings to healthy donor drives first, then try again. He connected them to his DeepSpar disk images and started the cloning process. 5 days later, all 5 drives were successfully cloned. Payam connected the clone drives along with the 3 healthy originals to his workstation. This time, no freezing, no lockups, everything detected perfectly. He was able to rebuild the RAID, see all the files, and start saving everything to a destination drive. Software installations, calibration files, project data, backup scripts, all there. The customer will soon receive an email and SMS with a complete file listing and video preview. If everything looks good, it all gets posted back to them the next day. This case study shows that even data recovery experts get stuck. When Payam's own computer kept crashing, he didn't give up. He kept troubleshooting until he found a solution. If you've got a failed RAID that someone else has given up on, give Payam Data Recovery a call.